Hello. So we're going to talk about submitting a help desk ticket to the technology and maintenance buildings and requests. Okay, so incident IQ is going to be where you're going to be going, and you can find that on the staff tools page. You can also find that on the website, and you can also find that in the links here inside of the help desk for new staff. You'll find that too as well. But this is the incident IQ is what we use. And so you're going to go to your Google SSO sign in, and you click on that. And so you just log in with your Google email address. And so you will actually see new ticket up here, top right corner of your screen, like that. And this is where you will see your name, is you're the requester, and then your location where it's at. Now you can edit your location too. So if you're located at the junior high, high school, intermediate, whatever, and it doesn't say that, you can actually click on this to edit your location. So that'll be your default location when putting in a tech request or a maintenance. So you'll see here you'll have devices and hardware, software, online networking, those technology things, or facilities. Facilities is what is for your maintenance request. So your AC in your room isn't working, or a light isn't working, or something like that. This is where you'll do facilities. And so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click on maybe a device hardware issue. And then there you have it, your devices that you already have. They're already in here and tagged. For those of you who have in-art displays, they may be there as well. And I'm going to go, so laptop notebook here. And now, for some reason, if you don't see that the issue is, or the model is there, which you should see it, because you have the Lenovo's and all the different types of laptops that we may have available. There's that Lenovo ThinkPad or ThinkBook. So I'm actually going to click on it. And for some reason, if you don't see the issue listed that's in here, if you click on issue not listed, and this is for both sides, for the maintenance and also for technology, I'm actually going to click here, and then I can type in what the issue is, any additional room location information. I can even attach a picture or a file if need be of the issue that I'm having. And once you do that, you just click on submit ticket, and then that ticket will be issued to that particular place, whether it's technology or to maintenance. Like I said, super simple, easy way for you to get a help desk ticket submitted to the right place at the right time. All right, if you need any help, please be sure to reach out to us, and we'll be here to assist you.